in this video I'm going to show you how to install Python 3.7.3 and pip for Python 3 as well on Ubuntu 19.04. so this is basically 19.04 and I'm quickly going to launch the terminal. So launch your terminal and type sudo apt update and upgrade as well. Enter the password and let it update the system. So done. Now simply type this command here, so sudo apt install python 3 and hit enter. So you can see Python 3 is already the newest version, that is going to be 3.7.3-1, which is the latest version at the moment. If you go ahead and check on python.org website, you would be able to find it. So let me quickly go ahead and show you what exactly the current version of Python is. So go to python.org, put your cursor on downloads, and you will see it has the same version on here as well, so 3.7.3. so that's it. Let's go ahead and install Python Pip, basically a package, the package manager for Python. So simply type sudo apt install python 3 pip. So that's the command, sudo apt install python -pip and hit enter. Say why, and this is going to take some time here, and we should have pip installed. Let's go ahead and wait for a few more seconds. Okay, so just trying to unpack everything. When you install pip, it comes with few default packages, and we will try to list them. So Python pip 18.1-5. so let's quickly exit and relaunch the terminal. So if I type pip, it's not available. It's not available basically for pip Python 2. So we need to type pip 3, and you will see we have all the options. So pip 3, every time you have to perform something, you have to type pip 3. So we have pip 18.1 from Python 3.7, you can see here. And let's go ahead and check Python 3 version as well, 3.7.3. if you just type Python, it's not going to execute because we haven't installed Python 2. You see, this is what it says. To install Python 2.7, you simply type sudo apt install python. Okay, and you should have Python 2 installed on the system. So that's it for this video. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye for now.